Hello everyone, I am Pranali Kakade, learning in SAS Institute of Management Studies. So today's my presentation topic is regression analysis. Regression analysis is a set of statistical methods used for the estimation of relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It can be utilized to assess the strength of the relationship between variables and for the modeling of the future relationship between them. Importance of regression analysis. Regression analysis helps in three important ways. It provides estimate of values of dependent variables from values of independent variables. It can be extended to two or more variables, which is known as multiple regression. It shows the future of relationship between two or more variables. Now the next part is regression equation. The linear equation is specified as follows. Y is equal to a1 plus b1 x, where y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So first we need to calculate b1. So the formula for b1 is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y, the whole divided by n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square. After calculating b1, we need to find out a1. So for a1, the formula is summation y minus b1 into summation x, the whole divided by n. Second regression equation is x on y, where x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. So x is equal to a2 plus b2y. For calculating b2, the formula is n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y, the whole divided by n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. After calculating b2, we need to calculate a2. So a2 is equal to summation of x minus b2 into summation of y, the whole divided by n. Now with the example, we will see how to calculate regression equation. So the example is, from the following data obtain the two regression equations. Also calculate y when x is 10 and x when y is 20. So here is the x and x values and y values. So the solution is, we have already x values and y values in the given questions. So now we want to calculate x into y, x square and y square. So here my x is 3, y 6. So xy is 3 into 6, 2 into 1, 7 into 8, 4 into 5, 8 into 9. Then we will get x into y. For x square, 3 3 square is equal to 9, 2 square is equal to 4, and so on. For y square, 6 into 6, it means 6 square is 36, 1 square is 1, and so on. After drawing this table, we will get summation of x is equal to 24, summation y is equal to 29, summation xy is equal to 168, summation x square is equal to 142, and summation y square is equal to 20. So we have summation of x, summation y, summation xy, summation x square, summation y square, and n, that is equal to 5. So first regression equation is y on x. It means y is equal to a1 plus b1 x. So first we calculate b1. So b1 is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y, the whole divided by n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square. So we have n is 5, summation xy 168 minus summation x is 24 into summation y is 29. the whole divided by n, it means 5 into summation x square 142 minus summation x the whole square is 24 the whole square. So after solving these equation, we will get 840 minus 696 the whole divided by 710 minus 576. After solving this, we will get 144 divided by 134. So after that, we will get y on x is b1 is equal to 1.07. After calculating b1, now we calculate a1. So a1 is equal to summation y minus b1 into summation x the whole divided by n. So the summation x is 29 minus b1 value 1.07 into 24 the whole divided by 5. 29 minus 25.68 divided by 5. So we will get a1 is equal to 0.66. So the regression equation y on x is y is equal to a1 plus b1x. So the first equation we will get is y is equal to a1 is 0.66 plus b1 is 1.07 and x remains same. Now for second regression equation, that is x on y, it means x is equal to a2 plus b2y. For b2 is equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y the whole divided by n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. So we have n, that is 5, summation xy is 168 minus summation x is 24 into summation y is 29. The whole divided by 5 into summation y square, that is 207 minus summation y the whole square, it means 29 the whole square. So we will get, by solving this equation 840 minus 696 divided by 1035 minus 841. We will get 144 divided by 194, and finally we get b2 is equal to 0.74. Now we want to calculate a2. So a2 is equal to summation x minus b2 into summation y the whole divided by n. So summation x is 24 minus b2 is 0.74 and into summation y is 29 the whole divided by n, that is 5. So is equal to 24 minus 21.46 divided by 5. So we will get a2 is equal to 0.51. So the regression equation is x is equal to a2 plus b2y, and now we will get x is equal to a2 is 0.51 plus b2 is 0.74 and y remains same. So we will get second equation. So till now we will get two equations, that is y on x and x on y. Now we want to calculate y when x is 10. So y is equal to 0.66 plus 1.07x. So is equal to 0.66 plus 1.07 and x is 10 in the given question. So y is equal to 11.36, and as per same x when y is 20. So we will use the x on y regression equation. So x is equal to 0.51 plus 0.74y. X is equal to 0.51 plus 0.74 and the value of y is 11.36. We will get the above. Uh, so x is equal to 8.92. Thank you so much.